There we go. We are now recording. Today is, we are into week 15. Today is July 22nd, and I think things have been a little exciting. But before we dive too much into that, this is the, 119 burn down meeting. I'll be the host today, Bob Killen, and just to get the normal stuff out of the way, these calls are recorded and we abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which can essentially be boiled down to please be excellent to each other. With that, let's kick things off with enhancements. Nabrun.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing Wednesday. So enhancements is currently yellow. I'll come to the reason shortly. We are tracking 35 enhancements right now, 34 enhancements right now, with 9 graduating to alpha, 15 enhancements graduating to beta, and 10 graduating to stable. So we had overall two exception requests over the past 10 days, and we have accepted one of the two and rejected the other. The one which has been accepted, the implementation PR has been properly milestone and labeled, just that the tests are flaking right now. And this is the sole reason that the status is yellow for enhancements. It is kind of between green and yellow. I prefer to go with yellow just to be a bit more cautious. And one good thing here is the docs PR has been created, merged in the last 1 day. So the velocity has been great on that enhancements part. And that's all on my side. Any questions, comments, or concerns?
None from me. I think things are good there.
Good.
And also, I tend to fall in the same. If I'm leaning towards a worse condition, I'll opt to just go with the worst condition when reporting that sort of thing. So, agree on the yellow. With that, next up is CI signal.
Yeah, hi everyone. So happy Wednesday. And so today we move from red to yellow, and today there has been a couple of tests which so really went green. So we went green this in last 2 days, and so in master blocking we have 2 failing, one of which is GC cost master alpha features, where Dan tracked down the possible PR changes which could basically introduce that failure. On the other side, we just got a failure a couple of minutes back on conformance GA only, for which we tracked the issue, filed the issue. We have 5 flaky and 12 passing, out of which in GC cost master scalability 100 we are. So there's an issue that is ongoing, and there are discussions going on, and this would be coming down in 1.19 blocking as well. Now moving ahead to master informing, we have 5 failing, 7 flaky, 5 passing, and 6 tail. So in failing, we have cluster API conformance failure that has been happening. So we filed the issue, and there has been work going on into looking for the issue. For the KubeADM kinder master, there is a potential PR that was raised yesterday, I guess, and so the PR is open right now. And other than that, we have the Windows failures, which I recall that Dan looked into it, but there was not much update on it. Moving on to 1.19 blocking, we have 3 flaky and 12 passing, and which is primarily like the GC cost 1.19 scalability thing that I mentioned earlier. And ending with in the 1.19 informing, we have the 3 failing, in which we have the Windows failure, and there's 1 KubeADM kinder, which I have not looked into much, but I'm looking into it on what is wrong with it. Yeah, and we have 1 passing in that and 5 flaking. Yeah, so that's all from my side. Any questions?
Do those failures have owners assigned to them? I see a lot of issues around flaky tests, but most of the issues don't have owners assigned. Who's driving resolution of those?
Few of them don't have owners, so probably we'll few of them were created in last one day, so we'll just create maybe assign it after this meeting.
Okay. It'd be good if all the things that we consider blocking have owners, and those owners could maybe report status back the next burn down. That'd be helpful.
Sure, we'll do that.
Thanks.
If you need help, sorry, a little bit of feedback there. If you need help tracking down owners, please feel free to ping myself, Taylor, or Jeremy.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Next up, bug triage.
All of our numbers are down from 2 days ago, way down, unfortunately. I think most of those are probably PRs that have just been pushed until 120. It's still red though, because we're still pausing on code freeze. So hopefully we'll get those last 8, I think. Yeah, 8 open PRs either merged or pushed today.
Well, that's a.
Go ahead.
As I say, that's good to hear. Are you? Do you need any help at all, or do you? Sorry. My bad.
No, I think we just need to go through, and I haven't looked at the ones that are currently open, but after this I'll go through and see if they are pending either moving, or if somebody else needs to be escalated to or prodded.
Cool. Thank you. I appreciate it. Next up is Docs.
Hey everyone, we are green. We had all our PRs merged into our branch, and the branch is healthy. We did have an exception that was approved yesterday, which Naburun talked about, and the docs is merged for that one as well. So we are green.
That's always good to hear. Get a little bit more green on the board. So that will take us to release notes.
Hello, release notes is green. The markdown release notes for RC2 were cut, and the PR was merged overnight. Also, the raw notes website was patched up to RC2 as well. And we continue to contact SIG chairs to gather any enhancements for the major themes for the final release notes. And that's it for me.
Awesome. Let's see. Thank you. Comms, is anyone from Comms on the line by chance?
Yeah, Joseph's here.
Okay.
Cool. First off, hey, congrats, Bob, on your transition on Twitter.
Thank you.
So nothing's changed since Monday. We're just finalizing the release blog, just making sure that everything is accurate, and we're green.
That's good to hear. When you get a chance, do you mind just updating the meeting status or the?
Well,
thanks.
Will do.
And that takes us to release branch management.
Hey, we are green as well. RC2 has been cut some hours ago, and we had a little issue with Anago, which has been fixed. So there was a slight delay, but now we are green again.
Awesome. Let's see. I don't see Tim. So I think, and I think that's for the most part it. Doesn't look like there's any other updates from SIG scalability either. Does anyone have anything they'd like to discuss or toss out at the time?
I know there was an open issue called out last time around scalability. Let's see if I can find.
Okay.
There we go. That open issue is being investigated. So we did get some engagement there from SIG scheduling and SIG scalability, and they're digging into that to try to figure out if that is actually a blocking issue.
Oh, awesome. Thanks for dropping that into the notes. Okay, yep. Coming down 2 hours ago, so it's definitely still being looked into.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess with that, is there anything else that people would like to discuss or toss out at this point in time?
I know we have the list of 119 issues and PRs. Are we going to do a similar exercise to what we did last time to identify which of those should block reopening master? There are a couple in there, like the Go 115 issue and PR, which I know will not block reopening master. It would be good to know of those 8 issues and 2 issues and 8 PRs, like which we consider to be blocking. Can we accumulate that after this meeting?
Yep. That is something we can definitely do it, and we should be able to get everything together by the next burn down.
Let me add that as an action item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. If you want, we can copy paste that into like the SIG release channel and get some more people looking at it. And I'll ping Taylor and Jeremy on it as well. Okay. I think with that, we're through everything. Is there anything else? Okay, we'll call it there. Thanks, everyone. Have a good Wednesday.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.